Do you dream of passive income? Earning money while sitting on the couch and watching TV, or better yet, while sleeping. If you said yes to any of these questions, then I want to help you achieve those dreams. Hi YouTube, welcome to a new video series I'm starting that will assist even the freshest of beginners at taking their first steps towards financial freedom. Two words that seem to elude many of us, myself included. I am your friendly affiliate Brent, and in today's episode I will be showing you how you can earn a significant income just by copying and pasting websites. That's right, you don't need your own product, you don't need to build a fancy software or dropship anything from overseas. This method I'm teaching you today is utilizing a strategy called affiliate marketing, where you're simply promoting someone else's product and making money on the sale. Now, a quick disclaimer. I'm not saying that you're going to make large amounts of money using this method. I'm just sharing what I've learned by letting you know what's possible, not specifically an exact dollar amount that you can make. So stay tuned to the very end where you will see one of my favorite methods on how to make money online. But first, if you're new here, then you're at the right place if you want to learn how to make money online. So if that interests you, what I want you to do is hit that subscribe button below and also click that notification bell. Here's the two reasons why. First, you're going to be notified every single time I upload a new video, which means you'll be the first to know when I've uncovered a new strategy that's working right now and that one you can try out immediately. Secondly, because it will give you a chance to leave a comment early on after I released my videos and ask questions or offer suggestions of what you would like for us to talk about next. So you might be asking, what product is this? What will I be promoting using this method? And the simple answer to that is ClickFunnels. That is the product name, ClickFunnels. The reason why I love ClickFunnels is because it's an easy to use software that can generate recurring income for you. It's an opportunity to build up a product or service that you can actually use yourself, and it also greatly benefits your business. If you're not too familiar with ClickFunnels, they are a sales funnel builder. Just like Shopify is a platform that lets you build an e-commerce website, ClickFunnels is a platform with drag and drop templates that enables you to launch sales funnels in minutes. There's no coding needed, and they have ready-to-go templates that makes the process super simple. In addition to that, ClickFunnels has great training videos and incredible resources that will assist you at promoting their services. ClickFunnels is a product I highly suggest that you promote due to its incredible effectiveness at driving sales. Now, how do we do this? Step 1, you'll build an audience. Once you have an audience of people that will pay attention to you, you move on to step 2, and that is to use ClickFunnels to build funnels for them. So you build funnels for them that they can actually use. Once that's done, you move on to step 3, and step 3 is to share those funnels with that audience. As an affiliate, I can give these away for free and still make money. I'm literally building an asset and sharing it with people. When they use this asset, I'm generating revenue because ClickFunnels is paying me for referring the software. It works like this. If you want to use this free funnel, you'll need to sign up for a ClickFunnels account. So in this business model, we're creating a sales funnel for a specific target audience, then giving away for free the funnels, knowing as an affiliate, we're still making money on the back end. Now you have a few options to get started with this strategy. Option number 1 is ClickFunnels has tons of templates for all kinds of industries, whether that's dentists, dog walkers, course creators, fitness professionals. You simply build the funnels for them and give it away for free and collect a commission if they sign up. I call this the hidden sales funnel. It's because you're not really selling anything. You're actually giving something away for free. And it's amazing though, because you're still making money. Your audience won't feel like you're selling to them. They'll actually be grateful you're providing them with such high value. The second option is that you can actually literally steal funnels that have been created by digital marketing expert Anthony Morrison. In his partnership program, Partner with Anthony, you get to partner up with Anthony and let him do all the work. He builds the funnels, he creates the products, and all you have to do is bring the traffic. When the traffic you bring in signs up for ClickFunnels as part of his course, you actually get the credit for it. This method is insanely simple. Again, you bring the traffic, Anthony does the work, and you still get the credit. Amazing, isn't it? This is unlike any other course I've personally gone through. Some gurus and experts promise you a ton of value and help and then leave you stranded. This isn't really the case with Partner with Anthony program. Plus, you won't feel like a sleazy salesperson. You've given people value, opportunity, and information that they can implement to better their lives. As the value provider or the connector, you get a commission, and with ClickFunnels, it's a recurring commission. That's money in the bank each and every month. So you have a choice. You can do option number 1 and do it all yourself, or you can partner with an expert and literally have the work done for you. If you stick around, do me a favor and click the link in the description below for more information. This program is geared towards people who want to start to make money online but haven't taken the first steps yet. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Listen, I'd love for you to do me a favor right now. If I provided value in this video and you'd like to see more of this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification for all videos. YouTube will let you know the exact moment I drop a new video. More importantly though, it helps me decide which type of content you all would like to see most. Also, can you do me another solid right now? What I want you to do is, if you love this video, click the like button for me right now. It's free, doesn't cost you a dime, but it means a whole lot to me. And while you're at it, would you go and leave me a comment below? I look at all my comments and respond to them as best as I can. I would love your feedback. Did you love this video? Was there anything you didn't like? I want to create awesome videos that are truly helpful and impactful for you. So if you can let me know which parts of the video you liked, which parts I can improve on. Did the video help you, and are you able to implement these teachings today? Also, what stage are you at currently in your online business? Leave me some comments below. I'd love to hear from you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.